Welcome back to Going Ballistic with Jim Bob. Jim Bob here in the undisclosed ranch in communist Illinois. So on today's show, I'm finally going to get around to shooting these car doors. So this is off of a Chevy Trailblazer. This door is fully assembled. I put the glass down inside of here, so it's still in there. You can see the back door panel, all the insulation, everything is there. Nothing's gutted or nothing. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to capture these rounds to see how effective hollow points are going through the door, and we have a water barrier catch there. So if you're open your door and you're shooting through there and somebody's shooting at you, how badly can you be injured? So what we're going to use is I got different rounds in this 40 caliber. I got critical duty, 3 rounds of it. I got 3 rounds of SIG V Crown, 3 rounds of HST, and 3 rounds of Golden Saber. All are 180 grain, and I'll be shooting it for my full-size Glock 22. Put my ears on and get locked and loaded. Okay, 3 rounds, critical duty. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let me go make my gun safe. It looks like I shot one low. I shot low on that one. I was trying to spread them out and I screwed that up. Nice big hole. Well, let's see what it looks like back here. Pretty good ripping the jug there. Wonder if I'll find a round. I have such horrible luck finding rounds. Yeah, that was. I bet it went through the table. The bottom of the jug split. I bet it shot down in the table. Let's set this back up and I'll do the other one. I only brought 3 critical duties. I couldn't capture any of those rounds. They just shot straight down, so I'm gonna get down on one knee and shoot. I think the bullets were just going straight down, so we're gonna do 3 SIG V crowns right now, okay? I think my zero's off on that. All right, let's see what we got here. I haven't shot that gun in forever. I think my zero's off. Yeah, they're shooting straight down. 2 jugs. Man, it ripped the shit out of that one. That was that V crown. I'm not gonna capture anything. Damn it. What's the back of the door look like? Yeah. Some pretty good size exit holes though. Well, let's set this back up. Try this again. Hopefully I'll capture some of these rounds. We're gonna do the 180 grain Golden Saber. See what we got this time. I see a lot of leaking. I tried to keep them a little closer that time, so. I see lead. Piece of lead. The old Golden Saber went through 4 water jugs. But no round. Oh, we got something.
Oh shit. That's it.
It's clogged up, but man, is that thing beat up. A little piece of lead in that one too. Huh. All right, so now we're going to try 180 grain HSTs. I would think the bullets would go straight through, but there's reinforcement. There's all kinds of, there's motors in there. So them things are just zigzagging around, and hopefully I can find them in the dirt under the table when we get this cleaned up. So let's try the HSTs. Gun's cleared. Well, let's see what the old infamous HST did. It didn't penetrate near as deep as that Golden Saber did, unless it went straight down. But man, it ripped the shit out of that one. That's not bullet, I think that's a piece of insulation. Got some more lead. I think these things are going in and they're shooting down. Maybe next time I'll aim higher above the jug, maybe then it'll go in there and capture some more lead fragments. But you're, without a shadow of a doubt, not safe hiding behind the door for cover. I don't see anything down there.
Got one.
Oh, you got one on? Oh yeah, we do got one. Which one's that? Oh, this is that critical duty.
Oh, sweet.
It's
Hell
obviously jammed up, but those don't open up much. But man, them things hit really, really hard. There's some more of that polymer tip off of one of them. Let's get this door down here and kind of damage we got back there, Chris.
Oh, we got a bunch of holes.
Yeah, I'd say you'd probably lose your ability to walk.
At least.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Sex life's over.
Well, hopefully we can capture some rounds maybe after we get this cleaned up.
Door panel push pins.
Yeah. Well, welcome back. Going Ballistic with Jim Bob here. We're going to do a little bonus video in our intermission because it's hotter than Satan's ass out today. So my friend Chris wanted to shoot his carry ammo out of his SIG P320. It's a SIG V-Crown 124 grain standard pressure. So basically, if you add the layers, that's 4 layers of gene, and then just through the water jugs. I don't have a meat target up here. It's very impromptu, but I figured I'd help him out. So whoa. Gun safe?
Yep.
See what we got here. Go fishing. Where's the first
Here's
jug?
a hole.
Where's the impact of the first jug?
It's in that one. It's in the bottom of that one. I can see it.
Fucking badass.
That's why I said let's put one more jug back there. Did it come apart? Did it
Oh my
open up?
fucking god,
Wow,
that's so
look at
fucking
the
cool.
expansion on that thing. Holy cow.
Dude, that's
That's
fucking
amazing through all that
badass.
gene.
Oh my god.
Where's the first jug of impact?
So
Man, that thing is huge.
that would have been this one.
Oh, let's see the damage of the
Look at the
jug.
back of this.
Yeah, it hardly has any.
Wow, look at the exit.
Oh,
on
you
that.
just went in right in the side there. There's the entrance. There's
Yeah.
the exit.
Oh my god.
So that went through 4 water jugs, correct?
Yes.
Let me see that real quick. Wow. I bet you anything we get back to the shop, 580 to 600,000. So I almost bet money on that with my calibrated eye.
Calibrated.
All right. That was a good bonus video. SIG V-Crown, definitely a good choice. Okay, well, we're back here with our door. I'm running out of water jugs, so I had 4 different rounds I was wanting to shoot, but I'm gonna try to do them all, but I probably won't. I only brought 2 rounds of these Federal 115 grain plus P plus a 9B PLE. I only have 2 in there, not 3. I didn't want to break open another box for this. These things hit horribly hard. So I'm gonna do this one for you, Frank. And then I got a Spear Gold Dot, which is a plus P, and the Federal HST, all 124 grain, but the HST is standard pressure. I screwed up and didn't get plus P, so sorry. All right. Oh, my soggy wet jeans up. All right. We got here. Oh man, I thought I hit the bottom of the X.
Serious jug rearrangement.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
You know
Blew
what I
the lid
did?
off.
You know what I did? I shot 3 rounds and not the 2. Oops. Look at the, I guarantee you that's from the Federal because I got pieces of it in there. These things just, man, these sound horribly hard.
That was the first jug too. That came from right there.
Yeah, that was that Federal plus P plus.
There's something in that.
I got one in here. I taped the tops of these on because those are the snap lids. I wanted to make sure that's all that's left of that.
God.
These fragment really, really bad. But these things are just devastating.
Wow.
All right, let's
There was something. Something fell out of that.
chunks of lead. I'm gonna set this up and shoot again. All right, so I'm gonna shoot one more. I got 2 jugs left. I ain't gonna obviously capture, but these are my favorite rounds. These are the law enforcement Golden Saber 124 grain plus P. You can always tell the difference between these and the Rural King is these are really gold, where the other ones just look like copper jacket. So these hit really, really hard. I'm only gonna shoot one. Let me double check something here. Got that one. Gun's cleared. I wanted to make sure I was going to aim at the exact spot I needed to. Look at the damage of these 2 jugs. Those are, I'm telling you right now, those are my favorite 9mm rounds. God, those things hit hard. They're hard to buy though. They have to be in a white box with a like a Marshall's badge on it. Those are the only boxes they come in. Usually they have to be supplied through an agency. Well, we're not going to get that round there. They usually go through 4 or 5 jugs, so there's nothing back here. But, oh well, we tried. Well, I was too late to the draw, but we decided to shoot one more of those SIG V crowns, and we put part of a bulletproof vest in front of the water jug.
Oh, I feel it. It's in there.
There's a remnant somewhere there.
You
It's
got it,
probably going to
dude.
be all compacted in.
Oh my God, it's hot still. Whew.
I bet it is. Throw it on the table where the water is.
That's actually cool that it's hot. That fucker's hot, dude.
That thing actually tried to expand on that one corner. They claim it's a redundant hollow point. It's got a 2-stage jacket on there to open.
Tore up your patch, man.
That's all right.
Where's
That's why I
it?
left it out here so somebody could shoot it.
So shot the water jug here. That's where and that was the impact of the, oh, there's probably something. Oh, that's previous. But look how much energy was
Yeah,
from that jug.
it split it
There's
all
no
out.
doubt your chest would be broken, but alive. Pretty cool.
That's crazy.
Silver bolt there, Chris. Fun fact of the day. Sig V Crown bulletproof vest. We're all about bonuses here. Cool. Well, we're all done here at the range today. We had a pretty good time. It's hot. Oh my God, is it hot? Something bit my lip, stung me. It's all swelled up. That's freaking awesome. I look like I got lip injections now. But I'm gonna revisit. I got one more door left back here in the weeds, and I'm gonna buy big, like 5-gallon water Culligan bottles, and because I want to capture some of these rounds. It's so hard to capture stuff. But thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll be back out here. So I hope everybody has a good 4th of July coming up. So we'll just see you then, okay? Bye.